You know how every week there's a new tool that promises to make content creation easier? Well, this time I actually found one that does. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. Today I am walking you through how I use topview.ai to turn a single product photo into a full short-form ad, complete with camera movement, lighting, and that TikTok-style vibe everyone's chasing. We're going to test it on an energy drink, run it through the whole workflow, and see how well it handles things like prompts, target audience settings, and storyboard generation. By the end, you'll see the entire process from upload to final video and whether the results are actually worth using. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so imagine your product coming to life and talking about itself. No filming, no actors, no studio. You just upload a product photo and AI creates a realistic digital avatar that shows off your product in different scenarios. TopView, with its product avatar feature, is a game-changing AI platform for creating UGC-style product videos. It turns a simple product photo into a personalized avatar that can hold your product, show its benefits, and even talk about it using a natural-sounding voice. No more expensive photo shoots, studio rentals, or camera crews. This is a perfect solution for e-commerce brands, marketers, and content creators. You upload your product photo, and in just a few minutes, you get a professional video ready for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Mates, the platform gives you access to over 1,000 ready-made avatars of different genders, ethnicities, and styles. Or you can create your own custom look and avatar. The avatars look very realistic, with natural gestures, movements, and accurate lip sync when they speak. This works great with almost any type of product, folks, from small items like glasses and cosmetics to larger products like fitness equipment or furniture. The AI automatically adjusts the size and positioning of the product in the avatar's hands. Okay guys, this time I'll show you the full process of creating a product avatar. Let's jump into the workflow. We click Create Now. And here we can choose from one of the thousands of available avatars. There's a huge variety to choose from. We can also use filters to narrow things down, friends. For example, we can choose a category like sports products or vitamin sampling. In this case, I'll pick a sporty female avatar who will be holding the product. Next, we upload our product image. For me, that's an energy drink called Din Dan. Just a simple can like this. Now we get to choose how the product will be placed. You can use auto mode, but in this case, I'm switching to manual mode. Manual mode gives you full control over the product size and positioning, so you can manually adjust it and perfectly match it to the avatar's hands. Wherever you place the product here, that's exactly how the avatar will hold it in the final video. I'll adjust the size to match the proportions of a real energy drink can and position it at a natural height, right about here. Once everything looks good, I click Generate and wait for the results. And now we get two different placement options. The first one shows the can being held with both hands, while the second option has the can held in just one hand. Both versions look natural and well-balanced, but I like the first one more, so I'll go with that. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now I'll pick this version, since the manual placement looks the most natural to me. We can turn this into Avatar 1, which is the standard mode. It gives you great quality and fast generation. There's also Avatar 4, which supports videos up to 120 seconds, and Avatar 4 Fast, which is cheaper and faster. In the script section, mates, I can either type the text I want the avatar to say or import an audio file. I'll add a short script for my avatar here. I can also adjust or shorten the pauses, so the speech sounds more natural. For the voice, I'll choose Violet.
Hey buddy, it is me, just wanted you to hear my voice. How is your day going?
There's even an option to clone a voice if you want, or pick from many other available voices. I can also choose a subtitle style if I want captions on the video. Personally, I'd go with something simple and clean, not too distracting. Once everything looks good, I click generate and wait for the final result. And here's the result we get. Let's play it and take a look.
Hey, fitness fam, just crushed an amazing workout and I'm feeling unstoppable. Let me tell you about this game changer I discovered. This premium energy drink is specifically designed for athletes and active people like us. What I love most? Zero sugar formula, so no crash later.
From here we can create different variations using the same avatar. For example, let's make a short promo ad with a simple text script. I'll generate that now. We can give the video a name and export it with our script included. In just a couple of minutes, it'll be ready. And now, guys, our new video is finished. Let's watch it.
This is DYNDAN. Zero sugar, maximum energy. Perfect for your workout. Grab yours today.
This is the final promo video we just created. We can download it, copy the link to this video, and use it anywhere we want in our content or ads. We can also create our own custom avatar using the Avatar 4 feature. For that, mates, all we need to do is upload our own photo. You can also create product visuals using the Product AnyShoot feature. All you need to do is upload a photo of your product and tell the system what to focus on by selecting the product itself. After that, you can choose from public templates and browse them by category, depending on the type of product you have. For example, I can select the beverage category for drinks. Once that's selected, we choose the mask, click Generate, and let the AI do the rest. And here we get an image of our product in this style. From here we can turn it into a video, or we can change the product background by choosing different backgrounds that fit our drink. This means we can basically do full product photo shoots without ever leaving home. And as you can see, the results look really nice. You can choose from tons of different backgrounds and create great-looking product photos like this in just a few clicks. Alright guys, that was a full run-through of TopView Video Agent. From just a single product photo, we were able to create multiple polished short-form ads with smooth camera moves, natural lighting, and a real TikTok-style vibe. It's super fast, super easy, and honestly makes you feel like a pro, even if you've never done video before. If you're selling something online or just want to make cool content without a huge setup, this tool is definitely worth trying. I'm going to keep using it for future projects, and I think you should give it a shot too. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.